Hey, welcome back then ng mini mage page. So today this is our seventh game for today and hoping we win again. Just chill lang tayo para we can later do something na pinagkakaabalahan natin. Okay, so we'll cast this one. Okay, there. So if you haven't watched my videos, you can watch it. I've won 5 out of 6 already. So 7th game natin to today. Hopefully we win again. Okay, so we'll cast Jury. So guys, pasensya na. Ito lang ginagawa kong nilalaro kong deck sa Brawl so far. Kasi ito lang naman yung pinaka decent kong deck. Kasi I'm just playing this for free. And kaya what do you play? Anong nilalaro nyo sa arena? Okay, so we'll cast si Toralf Disciple. So combat tayo, he'll take 5. So gagawa tayo ng lightning bolt sa library. Okay. So medyo masakit yung deck niya si Sliver. Cascade, cascade, cascade. Alright, so let's put some pressure habang wala pa yung Sliver. Mali, dapat I didn't cast Layla I didn't play a land first. Dapat, yeah, see? I got a land. So my bad. That's okay. Lesson learned. Most likely mag-sliver siya. And he'll cascade. That's okay. Yeah. So, kung magla-lightning bolt tayo ngayon, so he'll be down to 6 and then he blocks 1, down 1. Okay. So he's dead. Unless may shenanigans siya dyan. So we'll blood crypt. Alright, pay 2. Then lightning bolt to the face. Okay. And then we'll cast bombardment. Then we'll cast... See? Panalo tayo. That was pretty fast and quick. Yun lang. Thanks for watching, guys. 6 out of 7 na tayo. We've won 6 today. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. So, what do you play sa arena? And what do you know, what's your commander kung naglalaro kayo ng Brawl? And if hindi kayo naglalaro ng Brawl, what do you play? Anong format? At anong format nilalaro nyo outside Arena or MTG Online? So you do play Standard, Pioneer, Pauper, EDH. Ako naglalaro ako ng EDH every Saturday sa playgroup ko sa Makati. And shoutout pala sa inyo. Thank you guys. And Please, if you haven't watched my other videos, please do so. Marami akong, videos about Magic the Gathering. And please let me know sa comment below what else do you want to talk about. I love to hear from you, especially about Magic the Gathering. And yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. Be someone by helping someone. Thank you and have a good one.